the Chief Minister on Health, DG Health, Abdullah Yusuf, and Dr. Andre from UNICEF, Dr. Renan, DC Sab, DPO Sab, respected guests, friends from media, doctor community, Assalamu alaikum. Uh, Oxygen generation plant, that is a plant in box, is an extraordinary initiative, unique in this area. Health Department, with the support of UNICEF, initiated Project Scaling Pneumonia and Response Initiative Sprint, coupled with plant in box and focused two pilot districts based on increased cases of respiratory diseases in 2021. Now, these two oxygen generation plants are installed in Women and Children Hospital at Dawat and Women and Children Hospital Rajar Sabha, and ready to function with capacity of 500 liters per minute in cost of 210 million Pakistani rupees.